Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new here. Today I'm back with a swimsuit try-on haul featuring Cupshe. If you're not new here, you know I have been loving, living, breathing Cupshe swimwear for 6 years, going on 7, I think. Going on 6, I'm not sure. A long time, okay? And I love them so much. So big shout out to Cupshe for partnering with me on today's video to share with you some of their newest collections. So good. So whether you are dreaming of a spring break, whether you have a hot tub like myself and you are going to be wearing these cutesy little bathing suits in your hot tub until we go to Mexico in the spring, this one's for you guys, okay? They have dropped so much cute stuff. As they also have provided me with a coupon code, which is KF15. That will save you 15% off of your order of $70 or more. You guys, I have some cute ones, and I want to start with the ones that I did not expect to love nearly as much as I did. We have some tankinis in here, and I'm like, what the heck? So good, so flattering, so freaking cute. Let's start with the first one. It is, oh, I'm sorry, so cute. I'll show all of these on because it's hard to like show bikinis when they're like, you know, stringy and whatever. But this print, the cherry with the gingham with the yellow, like these are my dreams, okay? This is what my dreams are made out of. I love, oh, and there's also yellow daisies. I think this bathing suit is so cute, and if I was like in college, I would wear it with a pair of white jeans. But I'm not in college, okay? So I'm gonna wear it to the pool, okay? I love this, and this is everything. And I am not a tankini girl. I haven't worn a tankini since I was a young little child, okay? But I want them all. I vividly remember some of my favorite tankinis when I was a kid. But anyway, the bottoms for these are more of like a high-rise full coverage, which I think honestly is so cute. Okay, but this would also look great with like a teeny tiny little bottom as well, since the cup is full coverage. It has the little yellow bow in the front. I love it. And the adjustable ties on the sides. I will leave all my sizing down below because there's a mix of different sizing in here, but I will have all of them down below because I cut all the tags of everything because I hate tags in my swimwear. But I cannot get enough of this adorable swimsuit tankini thing. Like, are you kidding? It's the most gorgeous thing ever. Okay, next up, this is so, so cute. I love the blue and white of pretty much anything. So this is kind of like a traditional style bottom, a little cheeky, nothing crazy, crazy. I like that it has these thinner side straps, but they kind of go up. So they like know how to make a bathing suit insanely flattering. The top is, again, the same pattern. This, I will say, it kind of like rolled on me because it is a little bit thicker, but I think it's because I don't have enough to fill it out. So be mindful of that when you're shopping this. But I do love the like riffliness of this blue and white pattern, like the beautiful flowers, so cute. Metal cups underneath with adjustable 3 little clasps in the back and adjustable straps. Pretty much every one of their swimsuits has that feature, which is incredible. I love a good bra top like this. I just feel like I get a good amount of support, and it's so freaking cute. So this with a tan, good night. I sunless tanned for the first time in probably, I dare say, a year or close to it. I didn't sunless tan at all this past summer, so this like popped on my little sunless tan skin, and yes, so cute, such a fun pattern. Okay, we have another tankini, and in a color that I, again, never ever in a million years thought I would wear. This has a little bit littler of a bottom, so it's kind of like just a traditional string bikini. The back is still a decent amount of coverage, nothing crazy. I loved this color on though. And again, like especially for like just something I don't traditionally think of this color for a bikini, but I love it. It's this like Merlot color. So cute, traditional bottoms. And then the top, again, another tankini. Loved these little like rhinestone embellished metal like gold pieces right here, and then in the middle. Cute, again, adjustable straps in the back. This is adorable, and I love the little ruching down the front. This is just like one of those swimsuits you wear and you feel like insanely put together, but also like really covered because it's a tankini. It's so cool. I loved this so much, and just like completely shocked and surprised me of how much I would like tankinis. Like, where have they been all my life? I don't know, but they're freaking cute, and I think they can look really sexy in a weird way, even though like you think of like tinier bikinis, the better. No, opposite, pretty much. Except for this next one, which is the itty bittiest, teeny tiniest bikini I ever tried in my life. These bottoms, if you're looking for something with like minimal coverage, this it, okay? Because this is the deal. You can like shrink them, pull them. I don't even know which one's the front and which one's the back because they're the exact like same size. They're not, but you know what I mean? Like these are teeny tiny. These tend to like really dig in on me. So I wish I had sized up in this, but the problem with sizing up is it makes this part bigger. So it'll really go up there. So if you're like very, like a very slender, very like straight sort of girl and you want to look like the illusion of hips, I have the hips. I got the fat on the hips regardless, but I have the meat, you know, to make me look a little more whatever. If you don't, these bathing suits bottoms would probably be insanely flattering. I do like how they like open up on the sides, and this blue is gorgeous. It's very like, I'm seeing more jewel tone, richer colors, which I just don't expect for swimwear. But the top of this is insanely flattering as well. Love the cup pads. And I love when a bikini does this, just a simple string in between. I just think it's really cool. And these straps match the bottoms. Again, these actually are not adjustable, but this in back is adjustable. So super cute. Very, 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 very cheeky leaky, but if that's your style, then girl, pop off. I have a cheetah one or a leopard one, or no, it's like zebra, from a collab that I have had for a couple years now, and I just haven't had the confidence to wear it. But if you do, girl, they've got a little bit of something for everything. Like you got the tankini and then you got skimpy McSkimps. Okay, next up, I thought this print was to die for. Like Arlo was obsessed with it when I pulled it out of the box and was like unboxing everything. It comes with this, like again, like bralette or bra style top, which again, my favorite. This print though, like lobster, lemons, cherries, birds, like very like Grecian. I feel like this print was really popular towards the end of last year, so I feel like it's going to come back with a vengeance this year. Again, adjustable straps pattern. Like you're kidding me. So freaking cute. The bottoms are kind of a traditional, like kind of a high rise, like very much like that 90s sort of ultra high hips, very skinny, scrawny. It's so cute and so flattering on. I love this cut. Again, not adjustable, so that's where you have to think in terms of extras or in terms of sizing. But a lot of them offer different sizes for tops and bottoms, which I appreciate because we're all different sizing depending, you know? Okay. All right, let's move on to this one. This is not, again, a color that I would ever pick. I'm not a purple girl really at all. But this is a purple tie front, which I liked. I mean, you could change it if you wanted, but I liked the tie front. I think that's fun. This like lace crochet, adorable. And yes, 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 love. And honestly, this purple color is so pretty. I don't know, it's not something, I'm not like a purple girl at all. But I liked. And then the bottoms are very like traditional, normal bikini. Not so skimpy, just kind of like in between style. But this color and that pattern, cool. Okay, this one, this embellishment is so cute. I am typically not a bandeau style girl, so I like when they have the options of like the straps. These don't come off, but they are adjustable in the back. But this gives you the look of a bandeau, tanning of the bandeau without the bandeau falling down, because that's what happens to me. Look at that. Isn't that so cute? I'm obsessed. And I love the browns. Adorable. And then the bottoms are high rise. So like that. I'm like, no, not like that. Like that. Okay. They're confusing, okay? Because I cut the tags off. But you've got a little bit fuller of coverage, but you're high rise, so it's gonna cut up high on the leg. Cute, cute, cute. Very fun, very flirty, adorable. Okay, this color is just about everything. This like reminds me of D&D red or Ferrari red from D&D, so pretty. Again, kind of that bandeau style top with this like U shape in the chest. Got adjustable straps in the back, and adjustable bra claps. Very, very cute. Love this. This color is everything. Would look great on like literally everyone's skin tone. And the bottoms to this have a little ruching on the sides, which I think is kind of cool. A little bit more high rise for sure. I would say maybe mid rise, and a fuller coverage on the bum, which I think is important. We need variety, spice of life, okay? So cute. I love this detail. I think it's insanely flattering. Hey, when I saw these bottoms, I was like, yes, I love a good little metal detail, okay? These are a high rise or kind of like a mid rise bottom, a little bit higher on the sides, good coverage on the booty, but this is so cute. And this can be mix and match with a million different tops because it's just a plain black bottom, but it came with this one, which again is just a great basic. I love the style of this where it's not super triangle, but it's got the thicker straps because I feel like it really holsters up stuff. And this is great. Again, you can mix and match with anything with this, but this is just a classic, beautiful swimsuit, and I will get so much use out of this. I feel like you can never go wrong with a black swimsuit. They're just the best. Okay, in that same color as that bikini, this sort of like beautiful corally, pinky, reddy, orangey situation. Okay, I have a swimsuit. I have multiple swimsuits from Cupshe that are, similar in style to this, different. I'll show you, or I'll tell you why they're different, but these are one of my favorite, most flattering one-piece swimsuits when you just feel like not the best, whatever. Incredible. Okay, so love the shape of the top of this. It has this deep V, which I think is really cute, and holds the girls where they need to be. So good, so good. I own this like this in black, navy, I think, oh no, I think just black and navy. But this is like a newer detail where it has the low cutout back with this strap, which again, insanely cool, fun, just a little bit different. And I don't own it in a bright color, I only own it in neutral. This is one of my favorite one pieces that they make, that deep V anyway, it's so cute. And then this one is an interesting one. I'm not gonna lie, I don't think this is the most flattering on my body style to begin with. Plus it's slightly large. It's really thin, so I would size down in this or go with your smaller size if you're in between sizes. Again, I told you I'm not really like a bandeau type of girl because I feel like it just does nothing for me. But this color is really, really cool. Gives me kind of looking like I'm naked, but whatever. I love the little bead detailing here. Kind of got the cutouts, but I would say this is just a little bit too big for me. It needs to be tighter and like kind of more cinching in to be more flattering in my opinion, but still cute option. These next pieces are things that I pick up pretty much like regularly. It's kind of like replaced my button down over the like top of, I always have a button down for over the top of swimsuit. I still do, but I love a good bottom sarong, and I'm always picking up different shapes, different styles, different lengths, and I always need multiple because yes, you don't need like them all the time, but if you're going on a vacation, they can get stained or whatever and get nasty and you don't have a place to wash them. So I always pick up multiples. These are just like a one size frilly little, this is one of my favorite styles that they make. I own this already, but I wanted another one because like I said, I like more than one on a vacation, and I always get it in black as well because it's just, you can mix and match. And I think black on black, so cute. And it also just like works if you are going like down to the pool and then grabbing lunch or something like that. I like something like this. It's cute. And then this is so fun. They do crocheted really well. It's always so incredibly soft. And I love that they're adding like all of these like little metal brooches. Very, very summery. And I like that this isn't just like a solid white. It's kind of like a tanny cream, which I feel like I have a lot of white. And it's got this beautiful little starfish. So cute. Again, if you're wanting something a little more like fitted, then go down a size because I feel like these are very stretchy and very flowy and have a good weight to them. So I believe this is in a medium, and I wish that I had grabbed a small, but it's still fine. I just kind of like, I'll show you, I like tuck it into the bottom to give myself a little more shape, but so cute. And just like the perfect throw and go. And you can also utilize these if you have like a little slip, you can wear it underneath there and you don't have to just wear it as a bikini cover up as well. All right, so that is everything that I picked up from Cupshe's recent drop. If you have a vacation coming up, if you're a family who goes out of town for the holidays or just like whatever the case may be, or if you're just stocking up, getting ready for spring break, or if you're like me, gonna wear all these cute bikinis in your hot tub, then girl, this video is for you. If you haven't checked out Cupshe, they're like my #1 go-to place for swimwear and so many other things nowadays because they just do stuff so good. But I will leave all the details in the description box down below, as well as on the YouTube shop button. And don't forget to use code KF15. That'll save you 15% off of your order of $70 or more. I think also free shipping, so we love that. But anyways, I love you guys so much. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in the next one very, very soon.